just heard them say, the F-16 Fighting Falcon. That's what they fly, ladies and gentlemen, the Thunderbirds. They fly the F-16 Falcons. Same thing I've been flying the last few days on my live streams. Alright, if this connection is bad, it's just bad. I can't help it. I've tried. So what we're doing, folks, is we're doing an HD camera. And that's what's recording now. If you hear my voice, you can hear my frustration in this pitiful Verizon wireless cellular system. Alright, Thunderbirds are out there somewhere doing something, warming up their engines.